G'day traders, today we're going to talk about a bit of a controversial topic on today's video. We're going to talk about loading the boat on big trades. Stay tuned, we'll talk about that next. G'day traders, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, down at the park, just out with the dogs. Beautiful Saturday afternoon in sunny Perth, about 23, 24 degrees today, which is sort of unusual, but it is winter and we can get some great days here in the winter. But today we're going to talk about loading the boat when you've got the opportunity on really good, strong, best playbook trade setups. Now, this is going to probably fly in the face of a lot of the stuff we've talked about and probably stir up a bit of controversy. But the reality of it is, as retail traders, there are going to be certain times when you get very strong trending markets and you get your best trade setups, and you have to be willing to predefine your risk and also be willing to load the boat. Now, one of the things that I look for, and I learned this from Toby Crable studying the opening range breakouts, is I look and I measure the stretch factor. So in a strong market, I want to know the stretch factor is how much the trade will go against me normally in a strong market before it reverses and continues to move. So for example, if I have a position that I've put a limit order in, or I've taken a position in the market and it's at the beginning of the rollover for the new day on an end of day market, so 5 p.m. New York, in a strong moving market that matches up on the hourly time frames, I know on certain pairs the normal amount of stretch that trade should go against me. So I'm prepared to predefine my risk as that being my maximum amount of loss. And on some trades, I'm willing to, as John Carter says, load the boat on those. I'm still managing my downside, but I'm prepared to additionally pad that trade with the asymmetrical risk reward that I can significantly profit from and still manage my downside. Now, there's going to be traders who disagree with that approach, and that, it's just another trade. But the reality of it is that there are going to be trades that can set you up to, in a strong market, that can really help to significantly, add to your trading account. At the same time, you can manage the downside, be willing to accept a certain amount as loss on that trade, have it preset in the market so that you don't have any emotional hesitation or reservations about exiting that trade. It's already pre-programmed in for that loss to be taken. But the reality of it is that for us as retail traders, traditionally, the average account's between 2 and 10,000. Sometimes you'll get retail traders up to 100,000 and they're trading larger account sizes. And sometimes somewhere in between, but the bulk of the retail traders are somewhere in that smaller account size. Now, you can't be hitting every trade like that, but you can be maximizing your skill set. We talk about this with the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders, developing your skill set, using small lot sizes, getting the runs on the board, getting the process flawlessly down and executing it, but then also being able to identify high possibility trade setups, your best playbook, trade setups, and be willing to predefine your risk and load the boat. So if you haven't built your playbook, I highly suggest doing that. If you haven't got my 7-step daily routine, go to my homepage and get that. Start goal setting, start ritualizing your daily habits and sharpening your edge and getting better at this. And when you have the chance and you can load the boat, manage the downside, but we'd be willing to ride those trades out for an asymmetrical risk reward that can significantly add to your trading account. Go back test these, be able to have some way of identifying the days for you to look for where the market's potentially going to be moving and doing range extensions, and keep getting better, traders. Stay disciplined, stay focused, look for these best trade setups on whatever time frame you're trading. Be willing to position yourself in the market, predefine your risk, and extract an asymmetrical risk reward. When you can set that target wherever you want, like Paul Tudor Jones, I love that. He doesn't like to look at anything less than 5 times his risk. So keep getting better, traders. How good can we get? Stay disciplined, stay focused, keep getting better, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.